Hi, in this video we're going to have a quick look at the MTD VAT feature. To select it, we just click on the Rhino menu and we click on it and it brings up the VAT dashboard. So just to explain what this does, it's got a summary section up at the top, so it tells you the date of your last submission, the date that your next submission is due by. It also tells you if you owe any money to HMRC, which is quite useful. It also tells you when that money is due by. There's another section down here which is an important section, and this shows you all of your previous VAT submissions. It also tells you when you need to make your next VAT submission. And the final thing we thought that would be quite useful is to be able to click on the payments made section, and this way you can see a history of all the payments that you've made to HMRC. To make a submission, all you do is for the quarter that you want to make the submission, you just click on submit. What the system does now is it goes through all of your invoices and all your expenses, and then it populates the 9-box form. So we can see in here total VAT and sales 100, and VAT for all regions expenses 20, and that's it. So to make the submission, all I do is I click on declare and I click on finalize, and that will send the information into HMRC. And then eventually, once they do their calculations, I will know how much money is owed to HMRC. A couple of advanced features. You can also make adjustments, so if you realize that maybe you shouldn't have included an invoice or whatever, or an expense, for any of these boxes you can click on the adjustments and you can do an update. And to help you remember that, you can actually add a private note against that. That's for your own purposes. This isn't submitted to HMRC, but it's just for your own records, to help you remember why you submitted each of the amounts. In the next video, we'll cover the bridging feature. The bridging feature is a very fancy name for letting people use Excel spreadsheets, and what it'll do is it'll upload the Excel spreadsheets in here, and you can use Rhino to make your MTD VAT submission using the output from the spreadsheet. So we'll cover that in another video.